स्कैम हो गया उनके साथ।
हाँ। शेल्टर है तेरा, तो अंदर जाके सोएगा एकदम।
बाय बाय बाय। इग्लू बना दो उसको भाई रात ठंड के मौसम में, ऐसे आइस वाइस लगा के। तो गाइस हम लोग लिटरली 2 घंटे के बाद आगे पहुँचे।
लाइव है क्या?
हाँ वो लाइन बहुत लंबा है, आप देख सकते हो। हाँ भाई कुछ भी कर सकता हूँ मैं, नासा हैक कर लूँगा मैं तेरे घर बैठे बैठे।
कौन है भाई?
अनिरुद्ध। कैंटीन है क्या? वो क्या है वो? किसी का कब्र लग रहा है वो, बता नहीं ब्रो क्या है। बस नहीं कार
कार दिख रही
है नहीं, बट बोलो अमन मैं हूँ आगे।
नो, यू आर रिकॉर्डिंग वीडियो।
हाँ हाँ हाँ। अब तो क्या हुआ?
बिहाइंड अस।
क्या चूतिया भाई। और देखो
पता है यार
क्या
वो
यो मुस्तफा सर, आप कैसे हो? MMH। ओ माय गॉड, MMH सर है। चलो अभी जल्दी जल्दी हो रहा है, मजा आ रहा है अभी तो। कति बसड़ मचा रखी है। ओ ओए होई ओए होई। ओ भाई चिपक रहा है तो एकदम गेक्को। वाह ये वाह वाह। ये क्या दिखाना है रे? 150 रुपये ले रहे क्या? मैम बहुत सीरियस दिख रही है, ऐसे जैसे कत्ल कर देगी हमारा। वेरी सीरियस वेरी सीरियस। राइट स्ट्रेट। ओ भाई ओ भाई ओ माय गॉड। किसको खींच? ओके फोटो। ये मेरे को दिख रहा है क्या? पता नहीं, फोटो ली उसने। Bro, what you doing, bro? अरे हटना, क्या दूर है बीच में खड़े रहते हैं। Okay, so we are in fine lane and starting we see ब्रह्मोस। ये ब्रह्मोस मिसाइल है ना कि रॉकेट? मिसाइल रॉकेट। ये एक्चुअल है क्या? फक, एक्चुअल भी हो सकता है।
अबे अंदर से भी।
हाँ लाइन के बाद लाइन, लाइन के बाद लाइन, लाइन में लाइन। इस लाइन को क्यों रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हैं?
वहाँ पे
तो क्यों पैसा मिल रहा क्या उधर जाने का? सही है। ओ भाई हाइप दिख रही है, लोग तड़प रहे अंदर जाने।
नबील और मोती वाला लास्ट में रहेंगे।
हाँ क्या धूप है, टोपी किसी काम को है। अरे भाई टोपी ट्रेडमार्क है मेरा भाई। ऐसे कैसे? हाँ वो अंदर क्यों नहीं आने रहे हम लोग को? टेक फेस्ट एशिया's largest science and technology festival exhibitions. My God, exhibitions.
अक्षर पटेल, उमेश यादव,
राहुल गांधी.
दूसरे के बॉलर्स के नाम बोल रहा हूँ.
ओके.
मैं बोलता हूँ
मेसी.
साला राहुल बोलता है.
ओके.
मैं बोलूँ
ओ अंकों से बोल, मेरे को नहीं पता.
क्यों में आ रहे हैं
क्यों 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 इधर भी रुकना पड़ेगा क्या? इसे कितना बसड़ मचा दी रखी है. ओ चलो 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 चलो, जा रहे let it go. बाय प्रीमियम ओ माय गॉड. क्या बाय कुछ तो दिखाया, कुछ तो दिखाया बाय. ओके ब्रो लाइन में आओ. let it go. अरे यार फिर से रुकना है ना. बोल क्या बोल. हाँ मैं लाइव हूँ ब्रो. मैं पूरा दिन रह सकता हूँ. यस ब्रो. चुप. तुझे पूछा नहीं किसी ने. Let it go. ओ भाई रिकॉर्डिंग का रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हैं हम लोग. रिकॉर्ड कर रहे तो रिकॉर्ड करके रिकॉर्ड हो जाता.
चेहरा देख के पूछ रही है.
इसी आगे देखिए लिखती हूँ. Let it go. सब लोग कैसे आएंगे भाई, पता नहीं.
हेलो ऐसा आएंगे ऐसा. हेलो
दे मैं फोटो लो ले भाई. सेल्फी स्टिक बना लो मुझे लिटरली. ओके नहीं हो रहा, बाहर जाके करें. ठीक है गाइस, लाइन प्लीज लाइन.
हेलो
दिल पे ले लिया बंदे ने. हाँ let it go. क्या हो रहा है? Let it go. क्या हो रहा है? हाँ ऐसे कैसे चलेगा? ठीक है ये कर लो भाई. चीटिंग हो रही है ये. किसी को भी घुसा दे अंदर. क्या VIP कुछ भी
तो बंद कर पहले.
नहीं. Let it go. Fireflies. ना. मैं युग हूँ और मैं ग्रूट हूँ.
कौन होगा ये बंदा?
भाई सबके पास गेमिंग लैपटॉप और गेमिंग बैग है भाई.
लेनोवो लीजेंड.
फक लेनोवो. MSI अच्छा लगता है
मेरे पास भी गेमिंग वाला ही है लेनोवो.
बट फिर भी फक लेनोवो. एशस अच्छा लगता है मेरे को.
लेनोवो
अच्छा ही है बट मेरे को उतना नहीं, एक्सपीरियंस उतना अच्छा नहीं है. टैबलेट लिया था लाइक लेनोवो का, वो जल्दी ख़राब हो गया एंड फिर रिप्लेसमेंट भी नहीं मिली और वो ऐसे घर पे पड़ा हुआ है टूटा हुआ. तो वही इसीलिए मेरे को पसंद है. हाथ कदम मार्ट, ओ माय गॉड। एंड गेमिंग सबसे अच्छा सबसे महंगा एलियनवेयर है, बहुत औकात के बाहर है वो।
कितने का है?
रहेगा वो तेरे स्पेक्स के ऊपर है, 2-3 लाख तक तो आराम से जा सकते हैं।
क्या गेमिंग पीसी ले लो।
लैपटॉप
और कर रहा है एंट्री इधर से।
अरे अरे स्कैम हो रहा है, रिकॉर्ड कर।
वो देख कौन रहा है?
उनको मैं देख रहा हूँ, मैं देख पाऊँगा कभी फ्यूचर में मन किया तो।
मतलब वो एक बंदा कौन देख रहा है तेरी स्ट्रीम?
वो एक बंदा, वो लेजेंड है भाई। वो कौन है? वो आदित्य कदम आर्ट।
यही है क्या?
नहीं वो नहीं, उसका नाम कदम नहीं है, आदित्य सिंह है वो, सिंह है। ये आदित्य कदम दोस्त अलग हैं। अरे 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 ऐसे घुस रहे हैं। हाँ बोला। हाँ अरे अरे ऐसे कैसे अंकल? अंकल बात कर, मरो। करते करते मरो।
मारो।
नहीं अभी बनना। सो फाइनली हमारा टर्न होने वाला है। ओके ओके ओके। व्हाट द फक, व्हाट द फक। बाहर ऐसा कुछ नहीं ना, अंदर क्या बना के रखा है ये भाई? ओके इंटरनेट इधर से चालू होते हैं, राइट लेफ्ट है ना, राइट साइड आओ ना, है ना। ये एयरपोर्ट दिखते नहीं बार। एक सेकेंड। हाँ लेफ्ट साइड से देखो, राइट साइड से नहीं दिखता।
देंगे नीचे का फ्लोर है।
वो तो दिखा।
इसे ओके थैंक यू। ब्रो व्हाट्सएप नहीं, हम क्या बता, शहर में आए हैं IIT के बॉम्बे। ओके इंटरेस्टिंग। वो कौन है? वो बड़ा आदमी। गलती से हुआ ऑफ बेटे।
तो हमारे इंस्ट्रक्टर ये सेम यूज करेंगे पढ़ाने में।
अच्छा इसको असेंबल किया था आपने, इसको असेंबल करके आपने बनाया कि पहले से प्री मेड था वो?
ये प्रॉपर हमने खुद से बनाया, एवरीथिंग इज प्रॉपर्ली फ्रॉम स्क्रैच, लेजर कट, पीसीबी से लेकर सब कुछ है।
इसमें कौन सा ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम यूज़ होता है?
नॉट ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम, माइक्रो कंट्रोलर यूज होता है।
ओके कौन सा यूज़ होता है? आर्डिनो। ओके ओके अच्छा है रे।
मैं भी ऑर्डिनो पे बेस पे मैंने माइक्रो कंट्रोलर रीच करने के ऑप्टिकल ऑपरेटिंग डिवाइस बनाने की कोशिश किया है। सेम प्रोसेस
सिस्टम यूज़ कर सकते हैं, ऐसा कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है उसमें।
सेम प्रोसेस है।
बना सकते भाई, सही है एकदम। लेना एक
उसका
भाई।
वो वैसा बनेगा।
वो नहीं
और बोला इस सर एक क्वेश्चन था
आपको सारे कंपोनेंट के साथ हमारा ऑनलाइन करिकुलम है।
सर।
क्या क्वेश्चन था?
Shut up।
कौन सी ला रहा है?
हाँ जो बाहर थे। ई प्लैटिपस हेलो।
वो आप भी लाइव है?
हाँ हाँ क्या प्रॉब्लम है लाइव में?
नहीं पूछ रहा है।
हाँ नहीं लाइव हो।
कस्टमाइज थिंग्स एंड मेक
सो रुको ना, इससे पूछते हैं क्वेश्चन पूछा ना मेरे को।
कौन सा?
लाइक इसका सिर्फ यही काम है या और भी चीज़ें कर सकते हैं
इससे
ऐसे?
पूछ इससे पूछ
ये बंदा भाई ठीक है भाई,
इन्होंने खुद बनाया ना,
शायद पता नहीं
दो रहे भाई, बनाया नहीं है
भाई, किसी ने भी बना कोई भी कुछ भी बोल के जाएगा, सब यकीन नहीं कर सकते हैं। रुक ना, कंपनी के वेबसाइट में देख लेंगे।
फोटो में चलेगा।
ओके, ड्रोन्स है यहाँ पे, इंटरेस्टिंग।
चला के पड़े जी
ग्रिप करने के लिए चीज़ें। ओके, पूछना मेरे को बट ले लो।
वो उसकी भाषा समझेगा
क्या बात कर रहे हैं?
So flight time is around 10 to 15 minutes. Then you have to recharge for about 10 minutes.
And what's the battery capacity of it?
It's a LiPo battery, 5,200 milliamp hours.
Okay, so after one charge, why does it like we can only use for like 5 or 10 minutes?
So 10 to 15 minutes usually.
Yeah. So like, okay. हाँ है bro, obviously आ गया।
Crossing using a Raspberry Pi to control the samples. Use an Arduino Nano.
Excuse me, a question. What's it used for, like in daily life?
For the time being, it's mostly a technology demonstrator.
Yeah.
So it was a research project to actually show that this technology is feasible.
Okay.
It actually works.
Yeah, and I understood that, but what is the purpose of it? Like main purpose of that?
That at the time being, it's all about research.
Okay.
So
No, like I've seen it's good in grabbing things. Like,
Yes.
So what will be it used in? Like, yeah.
yeah. So some of the possible applications we see are in
Yeah.
warehouses, for instance,
Okay.
or search and rescue scenarios, or for instance in construction sites.
Okay.
So for instance, you need tools somewhere in the 10th floor.
Okay.
You want to get them there really quickly.
Okay.
And you can just use the drone to grab them, bring them up. That's it.
Like a real person. Like a real person or something which is small or like something. You said grabbing and taking him to the 10th floor, right?
Oh yeah, exactly. With the drone here, with the gripper.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So if you want to see like a demonstration of how it grabs something,
Yeah.
you can see the video.
So you are saying like if you want to transport some things from first floor to 10th floor, like small things, we can do it with this thing.
Exactly. For instance,
Oh, okay. I understood. Yeah.
you can see the slow-mo here of the drone.
Okay.
Warehouse would be one of the possible applications. Drone delivery is really hard though. So we're still kind of working on the underlying technology itself. So like an application outdoors like delivery, it's super hard.
It's still in developing condition, right?
Yes.
Okay. And
We can grab the things or we can do something else.
I'm sorry, you can.
We can do something else or we can grab only.
Yeah, only like
Grappling things.
for now. Yeah. So if you wanted to do something else, like you would need to outfit the drone.
We can customize the drone according to our needs, right?
Yeah. We're also working on implementing environmental mapping of the camera.
Yeah.
So that will be another kind of.
So this concept, it was introduced by you or someone else?
Oh no, not by me. It was actually introduced by an Indian friend of mine.
Okay.
Yeah, he's also in Switzerland now doing his masters at ETH.
Yeah. So like, what's your part in this?
So I mainly worked on the system architecture
Okay.
and the vision part, so actually
Okay.
utilizing the camera
Okay.
to detect and localize objects.
Okay, like AI scanning, things like that, right?
Exactly.
Okay.
What is the range of it? What is the range of it?
So, since for the time being we're mainly using it indoors, it's kind of as long as your Wi-Fi goes. So we haven't really hit any limit. Yeah, I mean, something like DJI, they also use Wi-Fi transmission. They have ranges like in the range of kilometers.
So for now, how much would it cost if I wanted to buy one of these?
So the pure material cost,
Yeah.
all the parts needed to put this together would probably be around $2,000 US.
Okay.
But of course you could,
It's still in development.
like,
Yeah.
it's a prototype, so it's
Yeah, we can't decide it quickly, right?
Yeah.
Okay, nice to meet talking
Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
Have a great day.
Yeah, you too.
do something to avoid this collision kind of scenario. Then like our overall how it recognizes that driver is slipping on. We also have an invert camera here. So it invert camera looks at the driver's eyes, mouth and other facial features, and it tries to understand what is like whether it's sleepy or not.
Okay, I have a question. Like, is it based on the Tesla AI model?
It's not based on that, but the concept is, I would say, similar. Our technology is completely inbuilt in-house, but I would say the overall logic is more or less same.
Okay.
Eventually,
The concept is same, but design is different, right?
definitely, yes.
Okay. So is it currently used in application or
Yeah.
will it be used?
It is used. So
Okay.
our customer base is in India, in US, UK, Australia, Germany, and we are like expanding in other continents as well.
Okay.
So it's like a pretty stable product. It's across geographies, across like day, night, rainy, snow conditions, dust and all.
So this project or this thing which I made, how long did it take to make this applicable?
I think our company is around 7 years now,
Okay.
and we have been gradually improving the product.
Okay.
So I would say, yeah, it has been quite a journey.
So who had built this? Who had come with that concept like this?
I think so. Our CEO and co-founder, there are like two co-founders, both of them are Harvard, Stanford alumni. I think the concept came from them. And the overall idea was, I think, to invest something in safety because technology is ever moving forward.
Yeah, it's evolving day by day.
Evolving.
Yeah.
And I think the goal was to, like, if we can use somehow this technology to save lives eventually. So that was
Yeah, that will be absolutely great for us and everyone around us. Yeah, nice meeting you. Hello. So what's happening here? Like,
He's actually explaining what's happening.
okay, yeah.
Yeah, so if you want the explanation, you can come. If you have specific questions, you can ask. I will, coming from tech background, I have more specific questions on tech side, so who can help me with that?
Specific questions you can answer.
Okay, specific, you are the
Okay,
guy.
so
Maybe I can come on that side.
So hello, my name is Anirudh. So yeah, so what is this thing about? Like
It's for space exploration. So
space explanation.
Yeah.
Okay.
Asteroids, moons, dwarf planets. So low gravity bodies can be explored with this robot.
Okay.
It does it by jumping.
Jumping.
It uses low gravity to
Okay.
jump from one place to another.
Like what surfaces does it jump? Like asteroids or like anything which is available in the space?
So anything with low gravity.
Okay, like
So
space debris.
So it's not it needs a solid surface.
Okay.
So it needs like a body, like asteroid. Moon.
So if there is no surface, then it cannot travel at all.
Then it can not. Then it can only reorient. It can change the attitude of its body using the legs, but it cannot jump off obviously.
So how will you launch this into an orbit or like outer space?
We will need a rocket.
Uh-huh.
So it will be launched with a rocket, and the rocket will be traveling to the asteroid.
So how long will it survive without a charge? Like what is its use like to charge itself?
So it can work up to 9 hours
Okay.
without recharging, and then it can be recharged
Okay.
using solar.
Solar panels. Okay. So there's
No one is there in space, then how can we charge?
solar panel, right? It
Solar
can
panels.
self-charge itself in the presence of sun, right? Okay. So how did like you or whoever designed it thought of like thinking of making something like this?
So it was a process. So there was a robot before this. It was called Space Bob,
Okay.
which already like tries the main ideas, but in a 2D environment. So it only has 2 degrees of freedom per leg.
Okay.
So this is the first robot that actually works in the real world.
So have you tried launching one of these into space?
So we are currently testing on Earth because
Okay.
for it to go to space, it has to be very
Okay, it's
reliable.
still in development, right?
Exactly.
Okay, so after developing, what will be our plans? Like how we will launch it into space?
How?
How we will launch it into space?
What do you mean? What rocket?
I mean, like, whom will you go and approach, or will you make yourself rockets and launch?
So currently we are talking to the European Space Agency,
Okay, so
but it's not fixed. We don't know yet.
okay, nice talking to you. Thank you.
तेरा उसके साथ ना
EV versus HPV, why is EV more popular? If I know, I think that is right. What difference
hydrogen technology is something different. Your question is that why it is not? Because we have the
which is better in terms of usage?
usage में battery इसमें तो flexible but जितना ऐसा hydrogen as compared to a get I am using hydrogen every day, so I know where we
So,
ease of use and availability of battery but with endurance
so ये सिलेंडर में क्या प्रेजेंट है अभी?
अभी
काले क्या रहना चाहिए अगर रहता तो? हाइड्रोजन गैस. सो लाइक हाइड्रोजन का यूज़ आप फ्यूल बनाने कर रहे हो लाइक सो हाँ सो हाइड्रोजन है वो आप फ्यूल बनाने के लिए यूज़ कर रहे हो तो क्या चल रहा है?
What is the store? What is it? Okay. So this is called fuel cell. Okay.
हाँ.
Using hydrogen and generating power.
So is it the same as rocket fuels?
No.
Okay.
It is
Similar.
more like a battery.
Battery. Okay.
Okay. So instead of charging the battery every day,
Uh-huh.
I am connecting hydrogen.
Uh-huh.
And whenever there is a need for filling, I'll just go to a hydrogen filling station and fill it.
So what is the capacity of this fuel cell?
150 watts.
Okay. And what can be it used for, like powering up what basic things?
This is for Indian Army, one soldier, right?
Okay.
This two product.
Okay.
So this one soldier can carry it in the basic instrument bag. मोबाइल हो गया, रेडियो सेट हो गया, लैपटॉप हो गया, they can charge.
Okay.
Okay. If you can put it in any automatic. बाइक में लगा सकते हो, कार में लगा सकते हो, ड्रोन में लगा सकते हो, ट्रेन.
Okay, so it's like a portable power bank, similar to it.
Yes. In simple words. Yes. Okay. Like imagine you have hydrogen car or scooter. Okay. And you have CNG vehicle already. You go out to a pump and fill the CNG. So instead of CNG, you go to the pump and fill the hydrogen. Simple.
So
It will keep on giving the power and your vehicle will keep on.
So why did you think on using hydrogen only, where there are so many other gases present?
See, ऐसा नहीं है कि only hydrogen. Fuel cell is one technology. Okay, the fuel can be hydrogen or LPG or methane. It can be anything. Okay, there are other companies who are making methane-based fuel cell.
Okay.
Hydrogen use करना है वैसा नहीं. The logic of us going to hydrogen is hydrogen is green. Okay, so what I'm saying is water. If you split with electricity, you will get hydrogen and
Oxygen.
Okay.
Yeah.
And power supply, if it is taken from renewable source like solar, then it is called green energy. Green
Okay.
hydrogen.
Yeah.
Reason for us to go to hydrogen is that. But
So-
it can use other fuels.
Okay. So in this, except hydrogen, if I connect some other gas and try to recharge, it will not work, right?
Will this be available for common people in future? Not immediately, but it can come in automobiles. So TVS Motor, they have patented for hydrogen. TVS Motor, TVS अभी स्कूटर यूज कर रहे हैं. 5 years down the line you will have hydrogen scooter. They will have limited hydrogen pump. When you go there and fill once in a week, once in a month. Are there hydrogen pumps? Right now there is no.
So like
Cylinders, we can send it to vendors. They fill it and give it.
हाइड्रोजन और इलेक्ट्रिसिटी में कौन सा रिन्यूएबल सोर्स लग रहा है आपको ज़्यादा?
You see, this is not against EV because this is also EV.
Yeah.
This is also
No, I'm saying which is more preferable, hydrogen powered vehicle or electricity powered vehicle?
hydrogen. Why?
Okay.
Reason
Why?
मतलब दोनों का advantage disadvantage है. Because the endurance what you get here is 3x, 4x. Okay. Example, last week we got order from Mazda Dockyard. Okay, they have ships which are operated from batteries.
Okay.
वो बोला तुम put the fuel cell system and give us the trials. We will run it for few months.
Okay.
If they are happy, they will place the order. So we did the trials. They were happy. So now they already have the battery, right? That cost is also less. Little bit costly. So still they place the order. Logic, they are getting better endurance. Okay, so with the battery, they have to take stops for charging, and battery charging itself takes time, right? So that much hour the skip is stationary. So इसमें वो time नहीं है. Filling में it hardly takes 2 minutes, 3 minutes.
Okay.
So once you put it in the ship, till the cylinder is over, you can keep on running. Then when the cylinder is over, you have to just replace with a new cylinder.
Yeah.
So that
Replaceable है वो.
you are saving that time and you are getting better endurance.
सर तो अगर एक लेमैन को ये अगर खरीदना है, अगर फ्यूचर में अवेलेबल है, तो ये
Sorry
एक
for the interviews. Actually, don't you have any other option to, just give the details?
Just one. You asked me something.
No, no.
Wait, just one.
Not interviewing. Actually, I'm just saying this कि अगर आप 30 to 50 मिनट्स किसी को प्रोवाइड करेंगे उसकी जगह पे मैं यहाँ पे मेरा टाइम कंज्यूम ना करूँ. Is there any option to scan the QR code and all?
Actually can है, okay, but because see, I'm in Mumbai and the team which is sent, they are in Bangalore. Okay, वो भेजा नहीं है. Ideally they had a QR code where you can scan and get the information. But आपको Tata account system से डालेंगे, you will get all this information in our website. Just put this name, Tata account system. Because see, you will get information on all this power. और पोल्यूशन परसेंटेज का है इसका 0 एडवांटेज पूछ रहा है. You
हाँ.
are asking something.
या
Can you see this, please?
या श्योर.
Thank you.
So Actually, for a layman to buy this, how much would it cost approximately?
Oh, see, before that, I have to ask why layman will buy this.
So for house purpose, for charging up house, for like common needs, basic needs.
So, see, if you, one example, UPS use करता है.
Huh?
UPS.
What is
UPS.
that?
Uninterrupted power supply.
Okay.
UPS use करते हैं.
हाँ, UPS.
Power नहीं है,
हाँ,
तो
हाँ.
उसको use करते हैं.
Generator.
There is a double generator,
हाँ.
inverter, UPS, inverter.
हाँ.
There is a double, okay, if you open it, there is
Yeah,
nothing
yeah,
else,
yeah.
nothing else. So instead of that, we can have fuel cell system
Yeah.
with the hydrogen cylinder. Okay. Once in a month, the serviceman will come and change the cylinder, like how you replace the cylinders, right? So that option is available. But अभी क्या है वो product वैसा बनाया नहीं है.
तो अगर अवेलेबल होगा इन फ्यूचर तो
That cost will
अप्रोक्सीमेटली
be similar or slightly higher than what you already have. UPS.
so how much will it be like
The inverter रहेगा maybe 10,000.
will it be in lakhs or like thousands?
It will be 1,000.
Yes, nice talking to you. Thank you. Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry.
There was an Indo-Australian exercise last week.
I'm not much into the drone market.
Okay.
I can only tell you that what we do is we also make things which attach to the drones.
Okay.
Okay.
Like the
The same thing, we get a smaller one also which we fix to the drone, and the gimbals and all that. So although it is Tata one division, the UAV division is just
So
what do you have on that side?
that's a hydrogen cell. We'll explain it.
Hydrogen cell. Nice.
so is this what is this like
This is
exactly?
a night vision camera, a thermal night vision. It is generating all images based on the heat of the temperature and all.
So it's a scope basically, right?
This is it will be mounting on a gun, but we also have other equipment which are
Which way we can look from it?
so we mostly look from here, but we are kept for public, we are kept for views also.
So whom am I seeing right now?
The one over there, those people over there.
Oh, can I see once like how it's available? Okay.
You'll see it.
How much is the scope now like exactly?
I've kept it at, I am not zooming at all, I've just kept it on normal.
Okay, so what is a normal like
Can't reveal.
like 5x, 10x
I
in
cannot-
between?
I cannot reveal anything to you.
Is it like 2x, 4x?
It can go to anything, but we
Okay.
cannot reveal anything.
So can this system be used in like normal mobile phones?
No. We have to reduce the size of the sensor. Sensor is big.
Okay, so does it operate with the battery?
Yes.
So if there is no battery, then we cannot. And how about charging it? Is it used in?
I know the battery, charge the battery. The
Okay.
battery and it's ready to go for a long time. It has a long endurance.
Okay.
So from morning we are on, we are still at only one battery, one hanger down.
Oh, so it was only charged once and still it's going on.
We charged it yesterday night.
Uh-huh.
And now from morning we are on, from 10 o'clock.
So how much is it?
That I cannot
Charger.
reveal. You have to wait till night and see.
Okay. So is it like currently used in like military
It is
service?
deployed.
Okay. Since when is it in effect?
Not revealed.
Will there be any upgradation in future in this?
Always. Whatever, if the system needs an upgrade, it's
Uh-huh.
already good. But as research takes place, the lens increases, the image doesn't.
So does
We are
this?
only ready to upgrade.
So does this have like Wi-Fi?
No, nothing.
So how if I want to transmit the recording, then how can I do that?
We are transferring.
No, wirelessly can we transfer it?
On the wall zone, there is no Wi-Fi.
Okay.
This is the war equipment.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Not a-
And if we want to record, is there any?
We just attach this to a VLC player and record it.
Okay, like is there something like SD card used?
Cannot reveal any of the data.
Okay, thank you. Nice meeting to you.
अब इससे पेट्रोल का यूज कम बैटरी वाली आ रही है
अरे बाप रे. Okay. Interesting.
Like this, it can do push-ups, exercise, everything. And the main feature of this robot, I think,
What
is
R5 is?
No, it's a Arduino Nano.
So what's the operating system used in this?
No, it's not. It's completely Arduino based.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it's Java and C.
Yeah. And in this robot we have used the Alpine. So it's a completely leader space Ubuntu we have used.
Yeah, Python.
Python. And it's completely AI feature. It has a feature like emotion detection. It can detect your emotion. Whether you are happy, angry, sad. So it can able to recognize the person. It can able to taunt back feature. It can able to taunt in 21 different languages. We have just programmed it like that way.
Can its size be reduced?
Yeah, it completely. Currently it's a prototype also.
Is this thing and this thing same?
No, it's a bit different.
So what is the difference between both?
This is for the advertisement purpose and this is for the entertainment purpose.
So I can use it for everyday life, right?
Yeah.
So how is it like used in everyday purpose?
No, sorry. This is what we can't use in the individual purpose because this is not for a salient product. This is for company product. We use this robot to encourage the school students, college students to explore more about the robotics. To make them curious about to learn the robotics, how this is our Quark. Tell my project. Through this Quark we used to teach, we used to provide that. Yeah. Be careful.
Okay.
Through this Quark we used to provide the courses of a robotics from 3 months course, 6 months course.
Okay, I can enroll in any course if I require it. So what's the qualification? Does it require any qualification?
Age group of from 5th standard to the 10, 12, 11, in graduating also you can just enroll.
Graduates can also.
Graduates also.
Okay.
Even we also having a batches of the graduates who are pursuing the robotics.
So thank you, nice talking to you. एक सेकेंड ये इतना इंटरेस्टिंग नहीं लग रहा. Are you in charge?
समझ लो बस.
Okay. वो बाहर जो रखा है वो असली वाला है क्या?
नहीं वो उसका एक्चुअल साइज है.
प्रोटोटाइप. ओके. तो क्या बता सकते हो उसके बारे में आप? जो भी आप समझ सकते हो मेरे को बताइए.
I know a lot about it.
ओके.
It is 3 ton. Okay.
What?
3 ton.
3 ton.
3000 kgs.
Oh, okay. 3 ton. Okay.
Its speed is 2.8 Mach, 1 kilometer per second.
Okay. Speed of this whole.
No.
Then of the rocket. Okay.
This is used for transport and to launch it.
Okay.
We can launch it by ship, Sukhoi, and this automobile.
Through land, water, or air. Right. Okay.
By it we can इसको मतलब लॉन्च कर सकते हैं बाय एयर, मतलब एयर में, वाटर पे और लैंड पे. ये ऑल इन वन करता है. ठीक. ये आर्मी का होता है, वो नेवी का, वो एयरफोर्स का. ठीक है. और ये मूविंग ऑब्जेक्ट को टारगेट कर सकता है. अगर हमें लॉन्च से
इसका एप्लीकेशन कभी हुआ है?
क्या? हाँ.
ओके.
हमें लॉन्च से पहले इसके कोऑर्डिनेट सेट करने पड़ते हैं बाय जीपीएस. ओके. आफ्टर दैट वी कांट रीसेट इट.
उसका की किसके पास रहेगा?
क्या?
जो लॉन्च की देते हैं.
ऑपरेटर के पास.
वो ऑपरेटर कौन हो सकता है?
आर्मी, नेवी, एयरफोर्स.
उनको कौन कमांड करता है?
क्या उनका रहता है. अब इतना एडवांस में मेरे को तो नहीं पता.
चलेगा. ठीक है, अच्छा लगा बात में. थैंक यू.
You can also make them work and visualize and have conversations and
What is the cost? There is a software.
Yeah.
It is software.
It is. It's a product.
Reflect.
Reflect review. Yeah. So it's developed by Unity, but it's a product that we own and we sell.
You own it.
Okay, so hello sir.
Hello.
Yeah, where are you from?
I am originally from Argentina. Thank you.
What is it?
I am from Argentina.
Okay, Argentina.
But I'm visiting India from the Singapore Unity office.
Okay.
Yeah. So that's what I'm based in.
Yeah. So can I like try it on, like to just see how's the interface?
Yeah, I mean I can show
Try
you
on.
some of the applications we have.
No, like the actual VR headset, can I put it on?
Is the VR working or not? Not yet.
No, like for 2-3 minutes only. I won't take much long.
Because it was
Actually, the thing is, organizers have asked us to not put it on attendees.
No, I am giving a concession to put it on.
So the thing is, when you do that, there's a line behind you immediately.
Yeah, yeah, that's like attracting.
you can put it on and look around. There's no interaction. This is just a visualization of this environment. Can you take one step forward? One step forward. Okay, good.
Okay, so the
So this is used, as I said, like people can come in in this space together and have even conversations.
this
using voice
focus
chat.
is not correct, so we can correct the focus also, right?
So that's one of the reasons that we are not.
Yes, yes. Yeah, no problem.
Needs to be adjusted for every person.
So what's this company used of the VR headset?
This one is the Quest 2 by Meta, the company that makes Facebook.
Okay, no, that's Oculus, right? Oculus.
Oculus is Meta.
That's well.
Oh, okay. So that's the same product, right?
Oculus Quest 2.
Yeah. Oculus.
Now it's Meta Quest because Oculus.
But the good thing is, like, I mean, any hardware will run this application that is VR.
Yeah.
It's compatible with the OpenXR, like HTC Vive, Pico, Vario. There's so many manufacturers of hardware. This is one of them. But the virtual reality application is the same. One application runs on all. It's like having an Android version of the app. It runs on many different models for Android phones, right?
Okay, so like this is basically like Oculus, right?
Yes, exactly.
VR headset. All concept is same.
Yeah.
And
is there any industry that you're interested in, like video games or like?
Yeah, I'm
manufacturing
interested in
or-
like there's a game called VR Chat. You
Yes.
might have heard.
Yeah.
So like I don't have a very high-end laptop or PC, but I wanted to use this VR headset. So can I use it without having a high-end laptop or PCs?
I'm not sure about the VR chat. VR chat has another option.
Okay.
I think you got your answer.
No.
This is not connected.
Yeah.
So you can just download VR Chat on this. It's basically Android.
Okay, so without connection also I can use it.
On Quest, VR Chat is there on Quest
Okay.
as an Android core processor.
Very well. And then similar to VR chat, there's an application called Rec Room.
Okay.
Rec Room, I know for sure they have like iOS for iPhone. You can play it. Originally only for VR, but they also have desktop VR, so you need a computer. But now they also have, if you have the Quest 2, it will run standalone on this one, so you don't need a computer anymore.
To be compatible, right?
Yeah. It's the same app, only that a bit lower fidelity in the graphics. But they also have a mobile application, so you can join from play with your friends on mobile.
So like to watch any videos also I can connect it.
Yes.
So there's like basically a feature in YouTube to like connect to VR and watch. So I can watch using this, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
I'll tell you this. So the hardware platform that is the Quest, it essentially runs a customized version of Android.
Yeah.
Everything that you can do on your mobile phone, you can do on your VR headset as well.
Okay. So it has.
You will be doing it in VR. So there are applications that are designed for VR, and there are applications like web browsers that are not designed for VR. Okay. You're going to be able to do both. Right? What this is called is essentially standalone VR. Standalone meaning that it doesn't require a computer.
Okay, so it can be used independently also, right?
That's the idea. These are like fully wireless VR headsets.
So
But
okay.
if you want to go into higher end VR, like bigger games like Half-Life Alyx and all that,
Yeah.
then you need a rest. Now you can connect it wirelessly, or you
Yeah.
can connect it with a cable like I have. Right? There are multiple ways to do that. The more modern VR headsets that you are seeing, going to see right now, like the Vive Focus and the Oculus Quest,
Yeah.
or the new headset from which one is the Pico one? Which one is the new Pico headset?
Pico 4.
Pico 4.
Yeah.
Okay. So those are all like running on Snapdragon processors, just like your phone, running Android, just like your phone, and they're going to be able to run this. I just did what? So there is Pico 4, there is HTC Vive Focus, and there is Oculus or Meta. That's it.
So this is basically Oculus headset, right?
This is
So the applications are
So how much is the starting price of this?
you can get this in Amazon at like 40K.
so reflect
Dollar?
40 US, no, 40,000 rupees.
40,000.
and this one is called Visual Live. So Visual Live has
This is my sticker because it's my. Can you move along?
Yeah, we
They're
can.
like really rushing it.
Thank you for explaining everything. Yeah. उधर क्या हो रहा है? हो रहा है क्या हो रहा है? Military dog. Can I enter here? Excuse me. Ma'am. Ma'am. I had a doubt. I wanted to ask you a few questions if I'm free.
Please.
Like, what is this?
Like we can do coding and programming with the help of this, and we can explore towards the robotics to making this robot.
Okay. So I'm like, I've seen this before also, I guess. Yeah.
It look like Bosch.
Yeah. So, is it solely used in education or like other purpose also?
Other purpose also for the
Yeah.
research purpose.
No, like I've seen in military also it has been used.
It's used in military.
Yeah.
Boston Dynamic is making same robot for the military. Maybe you have seen on many videos on YouTube.
Yes, I have seen it. So, how, like, what is the materials used in it? Like the body and.
We got these parts.
Okay.
Basically, we are the education field. We have one more robot there.
Okay.
It's a newer robotic. Have you seen the small robot? This is mine. So we are
I've
working
seen,
on
yeah.
the education.
Okay.
This is for the demo purpose. basically.
So the actual process is much more better than this thing you're saying.
Yes.
Okay. So in what ways are they better than this right now?
Which one?
Like you said, this is a demo model, right?
Actually, demo model is Amazon. Like there is a coding programming, but it's not. We can't use it for mainly
Okay, so
education
we
purpose.
can code into
Yeah,
this.
It's a pre-program. This one is a pre-program. Because
Okay.
this one we can do programming.
Okay.
We can, if you want to do move forward, we can do programming in the Java, C++, Python.
Okay. And what is the operating system used in this?
iOS or
iOS.
Android, both ways.
Okay, yeah, nice talking to you. Thank you. अगला
ये सब कुछ है हमारे सोशल चैनल्स पे सब हम लाइक शोज करते हैं हमने सोल्ड सम ड्रोन्स फॉर द एग्रीकल्चरल डिपार्टमेंट जो पेलोड वाले ड्रोन्स होते हैं which are big and heavy so we have done that but right now we're focusing on drone light shows ये वाले nano drones कहते हैं इसको ये बना
So you said it like it's not commercially available, right? But
the company is commercially available for
no.
drone shows.
Okay, yeah. So if I wanted to buy one of these, hypothetically, for one of these drones, how much will it approximately cost? Just a rough guess.
The thing is, we are not selling it, so I can't quote a price to you.
Yeah.
But I mean, if you are asking, the manufacturing cost, the minimum is around 70.
Okay.
Minimum. It can go up.
70,000
and
rupees.
it can go up to depending because we are buying a lot of, we are making a lot of these biocells and Java.
So what's the operating system used in this?
So we have developed our own technology जिसके through is called SOM technology, so the drones can coordinate with each other and we are
Okay.
also able to fly.
Okay, they are in sync with each other.
Parallel नहीं मतलब depending on the application.
So within one controller, how many of these we can control?
If I can tell you a number, it can. We have 1,000 drones. We have control 1,000, 1,400 drones in our system.
So how many controllers are required?
Just one user controls all of it. Our technology, yes. हमारा सबसे बड़ा शो वॉज एट नेशनल गेम्स आई गेस एंड इट वॉज 1400 drones एक साथ.
So is this the same product, like similar to the same product used in Spider-Man movie, which had like VRs and so many drones?
It's not. These are ये बस नैनो ड्रोन्स है जो बस लाइट ग्लो कर सकते हैं. They can go up to 400 feet to create different glow. Spider-Man में I think it was hologram use हुआ था. Whatever it.
Yeah.
We do not have that product, but we are definitely researching and developing our technology.
मैं
Thank
एग्जीबिशन
you.
की जो ये है ना अंदर
Yeah, sure.
सेक्शन है
Thank you.
उसमें
ओ भाई बहुत डीप में जाए. वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. सब क्या है? क्रू मॉड्यूल. ओ सॉरी. Excuse me. Okay, sorry.
No mobile tower. So you can't communicate with location.
अच्छा था, इंटरेस्टिंग था. ओवरऑल यही बोलूँगा कि बहुत अच्छा था. हमें एक्सप्लोर करने ना चाहिए ये सब चीज़ें. बहुत ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग था ये. जैसे सोचा था ऐसा कुछ था नहीं. सब अलग लेवल में था. और तो वही मैं निकल गया. बाकी लोग कहाँ गए पता नहीं. सब लोग चले गए होंगे अभी तक तो. ओके यार, और भी चीज़ें इधर. ब्रह्मोस मिसाइल प्रोटोटाइप. वाओ, फकिंग आरसी का फॉर्मूला भाई. ठीक है, ये सही है, ये सही है, बहुत सही है. नाइस, वेरी नाइस. सही से. ओके, आर्मी. सॉरी. बहुत ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग था. चलो ठीक है, बंद करता अभी. बहुत पका लिया होगा मैंने. ओके, सो बाय, सी यू.